So I found a new earning method that they can use to make money on Facebook right here in Nigeria, and this method has a lot of earning potentials in it, which means you can earn over $1,000 with this particular method every single month just with your smartphone using your Facebook. And I'm also going to show you how much Facebook gave me for completely free in this particular video. I mean, this came as a surprise to me because I've been using Facebook for a very long time and I've never gotten anything for free on Facebook, right? So this was like the first time, and I'm going to show you how much I got and what I did before they gave me that particular amount of money. So if you're interested, just keep watching from the beginning to the end so they can get the full value of this particular video. And do well to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can join my community. And if you find this video helpful in any way, just click on the thank you button right there. You're going to see it right there. Just click on the thank you button and I appreciate the effort. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you for doing that. So let's get started. For today's tutorial, you're going to need your smartphone, you're going to need Facebook app, you're going to install Facebook if you don't have one. If you already have one, congratulations. You're going to need ChatGPT, and you're also going to need an editing software. Don't worry, I'm going to share the one I use currently now. This method I found out on Facebook recently. This is a method that people have been using. A lot of people just started using it and it's not oversaturated yet on Facebook. I talked about this once in my live video. I've seen a lot of improvements since that time till now, so I just feel like, okay, let me come here and make this particular tutorial. So let's see how this actually works. I believe you have seen things like this on Facebook lately. I mean, it is very popular, or it has been very popular on Facebook. You have seen things like this on Facebook lately, and the funny thing is that this particular post on Facebook have been getting a lot of views, a lot of likes, and a lot of comments. And on Facebook right now, once you have more views, more likes, and more comments on your post, it could be any kind of post, just know that you're going to make a lot of money from that particular post, because Facebook currently pay you based on your performance, based on your engagement. So the more engagement you have on your post, the more money you make on Facebook. So I want to show you guys how you can recreate things like this for yourself. Now, mind you guys, I talked about something like this some time ago. The next day, somebody messaged me and the person said that I started this thing, but I've not seen any results. I was like, okay, what happened? Say I posted what you asked us to post, but I did not see result. I say, how long did you post it? When did you start? He say, I started 2 days ago and I've not seen any results, so it means it's not working. Please, this is not a get rich quick scheme, right? This is actually something that if you do for yourself, you can make good money. I don't mean any kind of amount of money, good money for yourself, right? So you have to be patient enough and you have to put in the effort for this to work out for you. I mean, I don't know what the person did, but I believe the person just gave 1 or 2 effort and just decide to give up, which it doesn't work that way on social media. You might be lucky and one of your posts go viral on Facebook. For the system to understand what you're posting, you have to be consistent enough. You have to keep on posting for the system to understand. Once the system understands, you just forget about everything, because from there, everything just start working for you. So if you've been posting on Facebook and you have not seen results as fast as you want, just know that the system have not understand what you're posting. Keep on posting so that the system can understand and know where to place you, know who your audience are, know how to recommend your post, right? So please take note of that, because after I finish making this video, I believe some of you are going to try this out. So in case you try it 1, 2, 3 times or 3 days and you have not seen result, please don't give up. Keep on doing it. That's what I can tell you to do. The first thing, I'm going to go over to ChatGPT. I already have a template for this, but I'm going to drop the prompt for you. I always tell you guys to DM me for the prompt. Most of you don't. I don't know why. You can join my community on Telegram, on WhatsApp, for you to get the prompt. All right, guys, so this is how this actually looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste this prompt here. Now, before you paste this prompt, make sure you train your ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT, open settings on ChatGPT, and make sure you set up your ChatGPT so that it can give you good answers based on what you're looking for. Just go ahead and click on enter. The prompt is very long. You can see it's actually very long. You can see this is crazy, right? This is very long and very useful. That's why I say DM me for this prompt, because it's long, right? or if you can actually scroll and screenshot it part by part, fine. And ChatGPT gave me the first post. They say, men post, these 5 still pay Nigerians in 2025. Now the first side also, it actually gave me Facebook Reels monetization, use trending Nigerian sounds, this YouTube automation. You can see affiliate marketing, you can see micro tasks, you can see AI content creation. Now it gave me 5 different posts I can post just for today, and I can see ask it for more. You can see it say will you like me to write day 2 5 posts. You can see, so this is actually scheduling the post for me. So I'm going to copy the first post that ChatGPT gave us. So let me just go ahead and click on select text. Remember, you have to pick a niche. You have to pick a niche for this. You definitely have to pick a niche. It's very, very important. So you might focus on entertainment, you might focus on news, you might focus on information, you might focus on technology, right? So anything you do, make sure it's actually helpful. Make sure it is something helpful, something people will be happy that you are able to share this information with them. Now that I have my post, I have everything with me, I'm going to go ahead and open my Adobe Express app. You can use it for completely free. Based on what we want to do, you can use it for free, right? Based on what we want to do right here, you can use it for completely free. So I'm just going to go ahead and open my Adobe app, and I already have my template. Like I said, I have my templates for all this, right? You might not want to do any other changes. You can just take it like that and post it on Facebook. Just create the text, post in the comments. It's fine, but we need something more engaging, you understand? Yes, so we need something more mature. Now this mature stuff is going to look as if we got this post from Twitter, just like the reference post I showed you guys earlier. Look as if they got a screenshot from that on their Twitter page and they posted it on Facebook, but it's not true. They created it from scratch using Canva or any other editor. You can see our Canva is completely dark right here, so we want to start creating. Now the first thing we want to do is for us to add a profile picture. So I'm going to import my profile picture from my gallery, which is very, very important. You can also import your own profile picture from your gallery. Or if you're using Adobe, or what you have to do, just click on the plus icon. You can see where they say upload from your device. So just click on upload from device. Once you click on upload from device, you can bring in, can be your own personal profile picture. Just use something since for you to put your name. So just click on the text. You just come here, click on the plus icon again, just click on the text right here, then you write your name, then you choose the font size. Now me, I already have my text here. I'm just going to go ahead and change the color. We're going to change the color to white. So come here and click on white, and that is for that. I need another color again. So for the other text, I still need to change this one to white. Now the first one looks like your name, and the second one looks like your handle, which makes it look more attractive. You can see that. So that looks good already. And the next thing right here, I just added this at the top just for fancy. You don't have to add something like that. The next thing right here is for us to add our text. Just go ahead and click on text again for you to write your text. But I already have a template right here for my text. I just have to copy this because I like the font better. I'm just going to come here. I'm just going to paste the one I have already copied. That text we copied from ChatGPT. So I'm going to paste that. You can see this is what we copied from ChatGPT. Another thing you need to take note of is that Facebook actually track harsh words, right? There are some words that are very harsh that because of those words your post might not be recommended because they are harsh. So you change those kind of words. So let's replace this stop wasting time on get side hustle. Let's put on the wrong side hustles, right? That sounds more nice. Stop wasting time on the wrong side hustles. You click on this, let me make this bold. You can see that that looks good already. So let me stop wasting time. I need to also fix this. These 5 still pay Nigerians, so let's highlight Nigerians as our keyword here. Stop wasting time on the wrong side hustles. These 5 still pay Nigerians in 2025. This looks good already. The next thing is for us to bring an arrow. Now the arrow we want to use, the arrow is going to tell them that read the side hustles in the comment section. If you don't know where to get arrow on Adobe, just click on this plus icon, come down here and click on elements, click on element right there. Once you click on elements, it's going to pop up. Just type in arrow on the search bar right here. Just type in arrow on the search bar. You're going to see different kinds of editing assets that you can use for your editing. After you finish everything, just come here and click on export. Just click on export right here and export it in high resolution. We are done. Export successful. So let's take it to Facebook and start our posting. Before I post this, let me show you the post I make that time and let's see how many views it got. I made a post on a live video. So let's see the post I made on that live video. Let's see how many views that particular post actually got since then. This is the post I made that particular time right here on Facebook, and I talked about it. You can see that this post gave me over 259,000 views on Facebook. One post, over 513 likes, over 544 comments. You can see 73 shares and 428 saves, 53 cents in revenue. Okay, and you can see 24,000 engagement and over 266 new followers right here on Facebook. I mean, even if the money there is not much, but at least I did not put that much effort in producing the post. You can see this is the post I made. I made this post on a live video. I showed people what I'm teaching you guys right now, which means this actually works. And in the past 90 days, I've been able to gather over 4 million views on this my new page right here. I've been able to gather over 2.1 million views in the past 28 days. You can see, which means that this thing actually works. I'm going to come over here and import the post right here. Let me just go ahead and type side hustle. Let me type side hustle right here. Let me just post it. You don't have to type anything, right? You can just post it that way, but let me just post side hustle. So our post is done and this looks good already. You can see, I mean, this looks nice, right? You can see the stuff I put right here. You can see my logo, you can see my username, you can see the hook I made, you can see the arrow pointing at the comment. So I'm just going to click on the comment section. I'm going to come here and start posting the comment. Everything is good. I'm just going to pin number 1 here to the top. You can see, so this looks good. This is all what you do. Just duplicate the same process over and over and over again. This is just all what you do. I promise you guys that I'm going to show you guys how much Facebook paid me, or I'm going to show you guys the bonus Facebook gave me, right? So I've not gotten bonus on Facebook before. This was like the first time. So I just opened my phone one day and I saw Facebook sent you a bonus. How much was actually the bonus? The bonus was $10. You can see extra bonus $10. Facebook gave me $10 for free. I mean, this is free money. It's not part of my videos, part of my reels, part of my post, part of my stories, nothing. Just bonus. So which means if you create content and you get more engagement in a short period of time, or you're able to meet up your target or something, and Facebook can also give you more bonuses, which is an extra way to make money on Facebook. This is not much, but I'm happy that this was possible. There's a possibility that I'm going to get $100 one day. There's also a possibility that one day I'm going to get $1,000.